So we are doing some Pokemon pack opening with GoBob256 and Mr. Mickey Lol. And yes, I got a Gengar EX big card for my friend for free. And yes, we're doing Pokemon pack opening. And yes, what is that? Boom! Yay! So we're doing. This is a whole bag full of Pokemon packs. Like a horse. So I'll be back when we've got the first pack. So we got the pack ready, and Mr. Mickey Lol's gone and got the big Gengar. So we have got the pack. So we got a Slowpoke. That's going to go in our normal pile. We got a potion, a electricity, Mr. Mickey Lol, what is that? Lightning energy, a Pansage, Gloomy, and Entire, Shiny, and a Jolteon Hollow. What's that? Mr. Mickey Lol, tell me. Let's get the first Pokemon pack. So we got the second pack. So we got a Totodile, Rattata. Oh, I think I can see colourful Pokemon pack. Scraggy. Or I think it's an EX. Can you see that, guys? Oh wait, can I see? Scraggy. Look, can you see that? Mr. Mickey Lol. I think it's an EX. Spiritomb. Gardevoir. That is not Garbodor, Shiny, and a Gengar EX. Yes! First EX. What does that say? Mr. Mickey Lol. What does it say? Yay, EX! Woo! And then the Shiny. Yeah, Shiny. Third pack. What the hell? We're gonna do 5. This was second pack. No, so we can go EX. No, not yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, yeah, 4. Ah! Now I was counting my other Pokemon cards. Yeah, I got 4 out of the thing I was counting. And yes, so now I'll get the pack ready. So we got the third pack ready. And we got. Is there going to be any EX? Armfora Spirit Link, Electabuzz. Looks like it's starting with CH, and it's fire. Okay. Fennekin, Litwick, Pupitar Shiny, or a Charizard. Good Charizard. Fourth pack. Hi, Mickey Lol wants to show you something. Mickey Lol, show it them. Can't see it. Mickey Lol. Now EXs. But Charizard. Charizard's still good though, Mr. Mickey Lol. How much damage does it do? Ooh, good question. 50. 50. Gengar EX is better. Yeah, much better. No, 10 damage more. Yeah, it is better. Big one. Yeah. Next pack. The fourth one, yeah. So now what are you doing? Let's just sort them out. So we got the fourth pack ready. It's a Lombra, Clawrencher. Ooh, what was that? Mr. Mickey Lol, what was that? What's that? A power memory. All cells burn 200 damage. That can take out Charizard EX. True. Item. Let's go in there. And Mankey. It can take out Gengar EX. Oh yeah, an energy.
One of my favourite Pokemon.
Gibble shiny and a Floette hollow. Hey, Mr. Mickey lol.
I like Gengar. Look how big this is. Oh, see, I think the wrong one. No, show them your face. Look.
Fifth pack, the last one. Hope I get a Charizard EX. So we are doing like more packs, aren't we?
Yes.
Mr. Mickey lol.
Yeah.
We're doing way too many packs.
Just some extra ones.
Yeah. So Mr. Mickey lol, we have the pack.
Yes.
We do, and
Gengar
first,
EX.
Cloyster, then a Larvitar, Energy. Oh, a Moltres.
That is quite good.
And a Xerneas Spray.
Xerneas, not
Xerneas Spray. And then we get a Garbodor.
But a Garbodor, not Gardevoir.
I said Garbodor.
Oh, this is a good Pokemon.
Gengar.
Mega Gengar. This is the best known Pokemon ever. Pikachu. And this is one of my favourite Pokemon.
Too many good times. So let's get the next pack. Next pack, we have a Servine, Fennekin, Psychic Energy, Poliwhirl, Fire Energy, and a Rapidash Shiny. It looks like a Kangaskhan. That's a look. That's so. That is a Kangaskhan. Kangaskhan EX. Woo! What does it say? What does it say? Oh yeah, cool. Yes. I don't know what pack it is. Like 8, 7. It's 8 next. Yeah. When the 8th pack is done, I'll see you there. Well, when we've opened it. Next pack got open then. What are you doing, Mr. Mickey lol? So we got a Turno. We got a Turno. Yeah, we got a Turno. We got 2
No, we got Mr.
in a row.
No, we got Turd.
Really?
Mr. Turd.
Really? We got Monferno. Psychic Energy. Braxian. Clink. Groudon Shiny. Feels like a full art. Where's it, guys? Oh, yeah.
It's Hello.
How did we get 2 EX? We have 3 EXs so far. One more pack to open. 1.
Packy Man.
No. 2 more. 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. Got my next pack. And it has a Energy. Professor Letter. Professor Letter Torchic. Omastar. Oh, I can't think of the name now. Luxray. Dun, dun, dun. Break! Yeah! Now Lucario. Poor Lucario. You're there. Next pack. The last pack. Got the last pack of the hope it's good. Do you remember I said I hope I get Charizard EX? So we got a Gengar Spirit Link. Centino. Macargo. Zebstrike. I think this is okay. This is the last one until I might get 2 EXs in a row. I want Charizard EX. So good. Thanks, Mum. Do you know you're on my YouTube channel now? Yeah, because I'm uploading this to YouTube. I forgot to say in the last episode, subscribe and like. Yeah, do that. You'll be the best. Oh yeah, I need to put these in normal. Fire energy. I am not gonna look. Mum, can you get me a scarf, please? Yeah, so I can blindfold myself, and I'll do it in 1 second. So be zooming up there. I didn't see a body warmer. I guess I'm gonna have to transform again. Definitely no. Again. That didn't work. Definitely better. And did you know, guys, you can get my shirt in some places, and I'm there. Mason. Yeah. Now you put this on as a blindfold. This is gonna be a trouble. How do you do it? How do you do it? I think I got it. How do you find 2 cards? Oh, I've got them. So. Can you see this and this are the cards? Cannot see a thing. Okay. I'm going to place them there. What was that keyboard?